Welcome to the Crypto Angel channel. Yesterday I said that Bitcoin is likely to break down. It did take a while to happen, but you did get the move down. You didn't quite hit the measure move. I think this was because of the Fed meeting yesterday, and now Bitcoin went down to about 115.8, 115.7 on different exchanges. It varies a little bit, and that was what happened. So that move at this point probably is over. Hopefully you guys benefit from that. But at this point, I would like you guys to hit the like. It does help support the channel, and hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video, and you never miss an update. But yeah, for Bitcoin right now, where do I see us going? Well, let's look. The daily time frame is now starting to curve up on the stock RSI, which suggests to me maybe now the daily is ready. The 12-hour time frame, you know what I think. Now that the daily is starting to curve up, I think the most likely situation is we get some kind of rounded bottom and probably eventually go up to new all-time highs, and that would be a very bullish situation. So I'll leave that drawing there. The 8-hour time frame gets the rounded bottom and pumps to the upside. It, to me, seems probable. The 4-hour time frame is overbought. But the most likely situation to me at this point is that we do start to curve on our way up, and we can go over to Bookmap and kind of see where Bookmap has a lot of liquidity. You can see at 120,000, we have a lot of orders there. It just looks most likely that we do go up. I definitely didn't think that yesterday, but now it looks more probable that we got up. So I called the small dump to the downside. And now I'm going to call the macro time frame. Yeah, we're obviously going up today. I'm not calling that. I'm calling the massive move up. I believe Bitcoin in the next, in August sometime, is going to have a new all-time high. And you could say, well, that's not that bold of a prediction. Well, maybe not, but the daily time frame, I'm calling for the daily time frame to pump here because you're oversold, and I just see a big pump coming for Bitcoin. Now, the 2-day is pushing you down a little bit, so is the 3-day, but at the end of the day, I believe the daily is going to rip back to the upside. So if now, not financial advice, but now, in my opinion, would be the time to accumulate more Bitcoin or just crypto in general. That's just what I'm doing. If you're not doing that, then you do you. But that's what I'm doing, and I see Bitcoin pumping. I even see Bitcoin pumping on the 1-hour out of this falling wedge with a measure move of about 121.5. So to me, it's most likely we go up. I think there's at least a 75% chance that Bitcoin at least hits 121.1 in the next 24 hours. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong, but that's what I think. Your stop loss could be at 117.7, and that would be a good trade there. That's all I got. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys have requests for other altcoins, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll look at them. The trend's your friend until the end. Right now, the trend on the 4-hour time frame, which I love to trade, is to the upside. You're above the 200 moving average. So I'll leave it with that. I believe we continue up here on Bitcoin. With that being said, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers, and have a great Thursday evening.